Today on RV Renovations, we're here in beautiful Kingsport, Nova Scotia. It's actually quite sunny. Today I'm going to be removing this 100% authentic 1989 car. So it's starting to rain. I have a nice mark on my face from the mask, and I got almost all of it out. It hasn't been too long, maybe 40 minutes. But I think I'm gonna have to take these chairs out or something. There's still all this. So I got all the carpet ripped up. It took 2 hours, and it's not too bad underneath actually. Now I'm moving on to this. So what I'm gonna do is cut this cardboard, and then I can cut out where the window goes, use this as my template. Today on RV Renovation, I'm gonna finish cutting the carpet out of the weird places in the RV. There's some under the sink in the kitchen. What the fuck? There's also some in the cupboards. Maybe it was used as insulation. I don't know. Apparently in the late 80s, it was okay to have carpet around your toilet. So what they did here, they actually installed the carpet first, and then they put the toilet down. So I had to unbolt the toilet from the floor, and now I should be able to take the carpet out, I hope. I'm hoping.